people, I am here to play the video Mabel did while placing a curse, and I want to translate what she said for those of you that does not understand a car or a banker. You know, there's no need of you hiding something that is bad. Every evil act have to be condemned. There is no need of you motivating others when you cannot motivate yourself. There is no need of you coming out on this blue app, start saying what you are not. Husband and wife, they marry. But if both of them are not compatible, they have to go to their different ways. Not to the extent of you wanting to buy the other person. So guys, I just want you guys to listen to this very video while I translate what she said on this very video.
Hello, brother. I'm just going to tell. I come my sense.
She's sending this video to someone. He said, "Hello, brother. I just finished shaving my hair. And this is the shaved hair in the plastic. And this is her menses part. I have not seen any woman when they say that thing is supposed to be a death. After you seeing it, you throw it away. I have not seen somebody storing pad at home."
Picture Eliab, picture Evîl. Scholar, the bottle, Eliab.
Esther picture and Eliab picture is upstairs. She said she is going to get herself naked and place a curse for Eliab and Esther's enemy. Tell me, what have we done to deserve this?
Adom tutu nokon. Adom ejin mokon. Ejin nature the month nke nwe 2 times in a month.
She said she will burn the hair while placing a curse on herself. She will the period that she has been storing the period for a very long time, and she is waiting for the month that she will get 2 times period in a month for her to carry out her evil deed according to the instruction her native daughter gave to her. I have told you guys that Mabel is very, very diabolical. She has people she sends on an errand on a daily basis. This is what she did to Henry, and as well, this is what she is doing to me.
2 times in a month, period. Yeah, she didn't get any sense.
Said, I have been waiting for the time when I will get 2 times in a month, just like the way I said it. That is why she has been storing every menses or every discharge when she did get. Now make her the store, waiting for the time when she will get 2 times in a month.
As from today,
she said nothing good would ever come to Mabel, not Eliab. That was what she said.
Both be people who are associating with Eliab.
She said Eliab enemy will suffer, and this is why she is so depressed. This is why she is so frustrated, because every of her evil plan, every of her hidden agenda is to destroy Eliab. But since it not come to pass, that is the major reason why she is so depressed right now. She's not even laying curses for my own enemy, but laying curses for people that are associated with me, people's enemy that are associated with me. If I offended you, Esther offended you, what about people that are close to me? I don't really understand. For you to know how devilish this woman is.
Anybody who eats and dine with Eliab, it will never be well with that person. And
anybody that eats and dine with Mabel, it will never be well with that person.
Any child Eliab decided to have after monarchy will die untimely. And
which woman will ever make such a statement? A mother, when he gets children, when she gets children, see the kind of curse when she delay for her generation.
Woman that will deliver the child for Eliab will die at her childbirth. So shall it be.
This day on the 28th of February, that was when she laid this course. After saying that, she said she is going to get herself naked that very night and lay the course. And I wonder why people would ask me not to post this kind of video. This kind of art is barbaric. This kind of art needs to be condemned. Mabel has no space in this blue app at all. And as for those gullible followers that have been supporting her, that are going to clap hand in this very video that what she did was right, I pray that every curses Mabel has laid will come to you, your children, and your generation, and so shall it be. Except what I did to her deserve or warrant this, then good and fine, it will not come to you. But if not, if I have not done anything that warrants this kind of curses, it will definitely go back to you that is supporting her. And my prayer for you this day is, if you are a woman, your children, your son will get married to someone like Mabel in the nearest future, and so shall it be. And if you are a man, you will come across Mabel in the journey of your life, so that you will understand what I went through, what Onyema went through, and others. The Bible said, who is that man that saith a thing and it comes to pass when the Lord God Almighty has not spoken? Mabel, your cause can never do anything to me, because my conscience is clear. My conscience is neat. Continue to lay your curses. Continue to do anything you know how to do best. You can feel it that it is already reversing and it is back to sender. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for always sharing my videos.
Hello, brother. Just a cargo into two. I come and go my sense. I want to. I want you. Picture Eliab, picture Esther Willow. Scholar, a water, war. Eliab. I don't want to knock on. I don't mokon. Eugene, nature the month, okay, 2 times in a month, period. 2 times in a month, period. Yeah, Eugene gave any sense. Here a ma eruko Eliabeka. As from today, here a meruko Eliabeka. Eliab was called a tafofon. Both be people who are associating with Eliab. Anybody who eats and dine with Eliab, it will never be well with that person. And any child Eliab decided to have after monarchy will die untimely. And the woman that will deliver the child for Eliab will die at her childbirth. So shall it be. Iya solo kila solo rigbama. Njokola gboto ima bale. Eliab. Tanawa. Just a kogun tutu.